What's up, guys? Luckside coming to you here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Believe it or not, Bill Murray is in crypto. The Bill Murray. This is exciting stuff. This is really, really cool. Now, I do have to say what happened to Bill Murray in crypto is not so cool. So before we go ahead and get into it, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell too, because then that way you'll know when any of our content here on the ClearCryptos channel goes live for your viewing pleasure. So Bill Murray had a charity auction for NFTs, okay? And what happened was he was able to raise 119 Ethereum, so about $185,000 for charity, which is, it's a great cause, okay? Now, unfortunately, a hacker ended up stealing the funds. So a hacker stole 119 Ethereum from the wallet, okay? So they started tapping into his wallet around 7 p.m. Eastern time on Thursday, so that had been September 1st. And they also tried to take his personal NFT collection. Now, we've talked many times about crypto security and keeping yourself safe. And it just goes to show you that regardless of whether you're a nobody, like, myself, again, I'm just a guy that makes videos, right? Or whether you're this huge celebrity like Bill Murray, crypto security is important. So you obviously need to be making sure that you're doing things to keep your wallet safe, because obviously, losing money, especially when it's for charity, is it's not a good thing, guys. Not at all. Now, luckily, he does have a wallet security team, and they were actually able to move. They were able to run a script, and they were to move his NFT collection to a pair of Safehouse wallets. So luckily, the hacker wasn't able to get these. Now, they have been keeping an eye on what's been happening with these funds. So they did send the funds right away. The hacker at least sent the funds to a couple crypto exchanges like Binance, Union Chain, and the culprit has yet to be identified. So they're still working on figuring out who it was. So they filed a police report. They're working with a crypto analytics firm, Chain Analysis, to bring the attacker to justice. So, and I'm sure they will figure that out because they can usually figure that out pretty easily. They usually figure it out pretty quickly too. And again, I just got to preach wallet security to you guys. You got to make sure, seed phrases, passwords, don't put them anywhere. It's not safe. Okay. No digital trails, nothing like that. Now, I was going to say it is pretty cool that the runner up of this auction actually sent 120 Ethereum to Chive Charities to replace what was lost. So the good news is the charities still got their money. And what's even better is if they get this money back, that's even more money for charity. Money for charity is cool, right? Money for charity is good things. So again, it's really cool to see that you have some big name people that you might not know of that are getting into crypto. And again, we talk about crypto adoption here pretty often on the channel, and it just goes to show you that it's happening behind the scenes, and you may not know it yet. And, this actually article is kind of all encompassing. You got crypto adoption, you got wallet security, you got NFTs, you got crypto itself, you're touching all the aspects. So that's pretty cool. But thought this was interesting. Obviously wanted to keep you guys updated and informed, because then again, that way you can keep luck on your side, just like me. Hope you guys have an awesome day. Again, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell. Especially if you're new to the channel, haven't seen any of our content. We got tons of stuff coming every single day. If you're looking for just general information, learning stuff, like if you want to learn about, words, how to do stuff. I mean, we got tons of stuff on the channel, more endless content for you. But again, appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch the video. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I really hope to see you in the next one.